Okay, guys, as the truck goes on by us again, you see it leaving the driveway. The truck is straight and the truck is clean. There's nothing we can fault it for. It has air conditioning, automatic transmission, has that 6.8 V10 engine in it. Guys, the truck is ready to go to work. It's got those 8 ratchet straps attached to the side like you see right there. Guys, the truck is a good workhorse. It hadn't been used very much and is certainly not abused. Well maintained, 24,000 miles. The company is just downsizing and they need to get rid of this truck. They need to get this truck sold. Only in auction time in Brookhouse Auctions will you find a truck like this. Come on down here, guys, and just get a ball. This is Ken Brookhouse with Deep South Down Louisiana.